So starting the test drive in the Silverado 1500, a lot of power here at this 5.3 V8. And, you know, I test drove this back to back with a custom Trail Boss just to compare, and I can already tell this one just feels smoother, it feels better. You get a bit more in terms of the adjustment with the AC controls, the heated seats, the power driver seat. So I feel like that has a lot to do with just the level of comfort we have here, because the one I just drove had the same powertrain. The 5.3 made it with a 10-speed, and this one just, again, feels better. On top of that, you do have the different drive modes, so that's part of the reason this one feels a bit more peppy, is you do have a sport as opposed to just having the tow haul mode in the custom. I'm gonna slow it down a little bit, give it a pull. Not gonna floor it, but gonna give it a little something. Don't want to put it in the sport mode with the amount of miles it has, so here we go. So it gets up to speed very nicely. This one, when I first got in here, it showed me having 63 miles of range. Now it's just saying low, but that's kind of just part of it with these trucks. They kind of adjust based on your driving, how hard you're hitting the throttle and all of that. So it just adjusts accordingly, just letting you know you probably need to go to the gas station based on how you're driving this truck. But I want to give a huge thanks again to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, for allowing me to review this truck today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. But as of now, it's a really nice driving experience, relatively comfortable, relatively smooth. You have a 2-inch lift here. It's an off-road truck, so it's not gonna ride as well as, let's say, like a traditional custom or even a traditional LT high country, something like that. But if you want what comes with having this off-road package, you won't be disappointed in the ride quality, I don't think, at least. Now, in terms of what you get for the money, this truck is $72,274 sticker price. There's a lot you get here, especially with this one having the premium package, the adaptive cruise control, but it's not a cheap truck. You might drive this and think, you know, I could just get a high country, or I could get an LTZ, whatever. But again, this one is so much more off-road oriented. You get a really nice truck. Having that premium package throws in the leather, which is nice. You don't get cooled seats, but not really a necessity. Love having the sunroof. And I just love the overall stance you get here. You have a 2-inch lifted truck, LED lights. It feels like an absolute boss. And on top of just having the different drive modes you can choose from, whether you want normal, tow haul, sport, or off-road, there's just so much that you can really configure here to make this your own. And based on the situations you're in, you can change that as well. But the leather wrapped steering wheel feels good. The driver's seat feels really nice. The visibility, even with this giant hood scoop, is pretty good. And then I love having the blind spot monitors as well. The more you really fool with this truck, the more that you see that it has so much to offer. And that's one thing I do appreciate about it. Just overall, there's so much tech here. There's so much functionality. It's just really nice. And with this one having the dynamic fuel management, a lot of the times, you know, especially on this back road here, I'm not giving a lot of throttle. You can kind of feel the 4-cylinder mode activate. And, you know, it helps save on gas. It's relatively comfortable, but it isn't perfect. And none of these fuel management systems really are. So you just have to keep that in mind as well. You do get a lifetime powertrain warranty on the trucks that are gas powered here at Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro, which is nice. And, you know, if you're worried about things down the road, you always have that coverage as long as you keep up with the maintenance. But a solid truck, I think, for the money, especially when you think about all that you can really do with it and how much fun you can have with the truck. So all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss.